Lloyds Bank offers a range of credit cards designed to suit different spending habits, but when it comes to rewards, one card clearly stands out. The Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card is an excellent choice for anyone looking to maximize benefits on everyday spending while earning valuable travel rewards. Every time you use this card, you earn Avios points, which can be redeemed for flights, hotel stays, and other travel experiences. The earning rate is competitive, with up to 1 Avios for every £1 spent, and bonus Avios available on initial spending during the first few months after account opening. The card also comes with no foreign transaction fees, making it ideal for travelers who frequently spend abroad. Purchases in dollars or other currencies are converted at a fair rate without extra charges, so every transaction contributes to your rewards without hidden costs. Additionally, the card includes standard Lloyds Bank protections, including fraud monitoring and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. The annual fee is reasonable compared to the value of rewards you can earn, and the introductory offers often include bonus Avios when you meet the minimum spending requirement in the first 3 months. These points can quickly accumulate, especially if you use the card for groceries, fuel, and online shopping, turning everyday expenses into significant travel rewards. Managing the card is straightforward through the Lloyds Bank mobile app, where you can track your points, review transactions, and set spending alerts to avoid overspending. Overall, the Lloyds Bank Avios Rewards credit card provides consistent, reliable rewards for everyday spending, travel, and more, making it the best option for those focused on maximizing credit card benefits. With clear terms, strong protections, and a rewarding points system, it stands out as the top choice for anyone seeking a rewards-focused credit card from Lloyds Bank.